how you can easily create a Reddit post on PC. Alright, without any further ado, let's begin our video. First of all, open your web browser and go to the Reddit's website. Simply search for reddit.com, and after you're in the website, you make sure to log into your account. So as you can see, I've already logged into my account. Once you log in, you can see that on your home page, you can create a post by simply clicking right here. This will take you to your create post page, and here are many things that you can include. For example, text, images and video, link, and even you can enter polls. So if you just want to create a text post, just type your title, and then your body is optional, so you can type your post like so. And as you can see, here are many options to bold your text, make them italic, and strike through. You can you can use all of these on your text post, and then you can select a community to post on. You can just post on your private profile and just click on post. And here you can see the post is now uploaded, and that's how you can easily create a Reddit post on PC. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.